Well, River Lodge you're allowed to drive in front of the River Lodge. You're not allowed to drive down the bank. You can drive from in front of the lodge.
Okay.
But there's guests in the lodge.
There's the end is there.
You cannot go there. But they can.
Oh, yeah. You'll be able to come out there and run me to the bed first. Three adults and the three cubs.
Drei Alte und
Yeah, there's three youngsters there. There's three adults with them. Both males and females are territorial. Actually, females are the ones that are territorial because males, they come and go. So when they get older, they kill each other and they take each other's territory, whereas the females will stick within their territory for life.
okay.
So it's only males, when they reach maturity, they're the ones that get kicked out of the pride, but the females, young females will become part of the pride. So what happens is, she was with those young sub-adults we saw this morning somewhere, and this pride were also with two of the males. They came and found them, and she was limping, so she couldn't run very fast. The sub-adult managed to escape, but she couldn't, and then they started attacking her as well. One of the males was actually helping them fight that female, and the one was trying to protect her, but well, he was just the only one trying to protect her against 4 lions. So they managed to kill her as well.